The air quality was pretty bad this morning, so I masked up to take the dogs out for a walk. I take these guys out every day, and even when the weather is beautiful and sunny, sometimes the air keeps us inside. However, it did get nicer in the afternoon, so we were able to venture out after all. Daddy had to work early, so snacks and a smoothie with mommy. Okay. I saw something getting set up in the morning. I wasn't quite sure what it was. And it's a cherry blossom festival flea market. So we sunscreened up and headed out. Using this hot sling wasn't the best idea. It was actually a little bit uncomfortable and I felt kind of like a fashion terrorist. But it was really warm and I didn't want to have to put the stroller through the crowd.
곧 있으면.
아이. 집에서 밥도 섞어서 해서 먹어야 돼. 기랑 하면 안 돼.
여수만 바다. 야.
So many interesting things to see at the flea market, from dried fish to things I have no idea what they are, to toys. There were even rides, and there's always Turkish ice cream. I don't know why, it's a very popular thing here in Korea. Oh, you're sharing with Bear? Does Bear like yummy chestnuts too? Oh. Oh, that bench is too big. I think you should sit on the baby bench, the little size one. That one's for Tera. Tera say 감사합니다. Okay, give it back. That's not for Tera. Give it back. Yeah, good girl. Oh.
아까 아까 아까
We chose to go for samgyeopsal, which literally translates to 3 layers of fat. It's basically like bacon, thick pieces of bacon, and it's very delicious. So we chose this place because it was a matchip, a delicious restaurant on Naver, and it was our first time coming here. One of my favorite things about Korean meat is that it's grilled at the table in restaurants. So it's so much more delicious when it's fresh off the grill. And you can see here that they're gonna cut it and grill it right on the table in front of you.
마늘 있어요.
쌈장 넣어요.
쌈장 여기.
이 쌈장이에요?
네.
많이 있어요.
이거 가운데 불 떼서 고기 털 수도 있어요. 네, 지금.
And here Tara's eating a pepper, which these are usually spicy, so this looks really funny, but this one was not spicy. Okay, bingsu, also known as shaved ice, is one of my favorite things. I will be blogging about this lots throughout the summer. 빙수 먹고 싶어? 오케이.